Right, so far as it stands, my program, if I type in 4, will draw a square. Okay, and in fact, this is going to repeat, this code is going to repeat these two lines, right, these two lines here, 1, 2, this many times, however many times the user puts into the input box. So, watch what happens if I put in 12, it still repeats those lines 12 times, which just means it's still going to draw that square. All right, it's just going to draw multiple squares. Right, now what I can do is I can actually use this variable to change the way the program works. And in fact, what I'm going to do, for those of you who know what the interior angle of a polygon is, you can work that out by dividing 360 by the number of sides. So give that a go, run your program, and see what happens. Now, just before we go, what I neglected to tell you in the last video was I want to just quickly run over what this does, what this line of code does. And so I'm just going to click on the Go button here and move these things over to the side so you can see a bit better. Is when this line of code executes, you'll notice the program actually halts on this line and waits for you to put in some input and click OK. And you'll notice here it says, please enter the number of sides. That first string there is the message that's going to be displayed inside the message box. And this string here, the input required, is what shows up in the caption. So if ever you've got, something like a warning, it will say warning up here, and then an error occurred, whatever it is. Okay, so remember the first string is the message, the second string is the caption. All right, so remember, go into your code, adapt it so it looks like this, and push play. Try to put in different numbers of sides and see what happens. All right, and remember to tell me what happens after you do that. Go.